ingenuity incorporated into product manufacturing process. It is our ultimate pursuit of quality, innovation, leading the way in technology, service, the cable that connects the world. Think what customers think. Virgin customer, create maximum value for customers, are our core values. Guangdong Cable Factory was established in 1968. For more than 50 years, we have been focusing on the field of wire and cable, of which photovoltaic cable annual capacity 400,000 kilometers. For international certifications are complete, meeting high standards. Continue to provide high-quality photovoltaic cables to global customers. The annual production capacity of the group's equipment exceeds 5 billion yuan. Based in the hinterland of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area, it is a leading enterprise in the cable industry. From raw materials to production, every step of cable manufacturing, every detail, will strictly follow international advanced standards and the refined process within the enterprise, fundamentally ensure the quality and safety of the product. In an era of extreme innovation, Guangdong Cable Factory will provide the best products and services, helping global customers create more value. For more than 50 years, the ingenuity has not changed. Guangdong Cable Factory is always ready. High-quality participation in the Belt and Road Initiative. Go global.